How we feeling, Nevaeh?
Feeling good.
Not too warm?
No, I'm really surprised. I really thought it heated up way faster than this.
Hello, everyone. We are here with Nevaeh, and her wrist hurts today.
Yes.
So, you know what we're going to do for that? Some laser. You want to know why? Because of why her wrist hurts. Nevaeh, would you like to fill the people in?
You know, my time at Kalkstein Chiropractic, I've been doing many lasers, many focus shockwaves, and many radial shockwaves. Just really strains my wrist and my forearm. So we're just going to do a little bit of laser.
Yeah.
Work it in, you know?
Absolutely. You know, dish out what we give to other people all day.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Oh, of course these are the broken ones. We're just going to... yeah, we're going to do that. All right, Nevaeh. We got a cute little strain sprain protocol for the wrist. We're looking at about 5.5 watts, 599.5 joules. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's go.
Sounds like the information they tell you when you're on an airplane taking off.
So the height of the plane right now is blah, 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 blah.
Exactly.
The elevation is, mind you, I've only been on a plane twice in my whole entire life. I'm probably not the best person to make those announcements. I don't know what they say.
Something like that.
Something like that, you know, something relative to that. How we feeling, Nevaeh?
Feeling good.
Not too warm?
No, I'm really surprised. I really thought it heated up way faster than this. Especially with this.
With the little head, too, yeah.
Depends. Some people are more sensitive.
That is true. I guess you're not so sensitive, girl.
I guess not.
These little carpals here.
Now I
So,
feel like people
Nevaeh.
fall asleep during laser.
I was just about to say.
No.
So if we were to do this for a few more minutes, Nevaeh would be asleep on this
I
table.
would be knocked out.
All right, Nevaeh, the day is almost done. What are the plans when you leave?
I'm going to buy a new car, guys.
Woo!
Really? Today?
Yes, actually.
Making big girl moves. What do you want? What are you looking for?
I want a Honda or a Toyota or a Kia.
Ooh, okay, some
see.
options.
You know,
Yeah.
I have to be a big girl sometime.
Hey, now's a great time.
Yes.
All right, my dear. You are
you so
all fixed
much.
up and ready to go get your new car later.
Thank you.
Of course. And we will see you people next time.
Bye.